Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and remove or delete a Reddit post. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is make sure that you are logged in into the account that you want to go ahead and delete your post from. On the top right hand, you want to simply go ahead and click on your profile icon and simply click on view profile. Once you've done that, your post should be shown right over here, as you can see. Or if it's not here, you can simply go ahead and click on posts and your post will show up right over here. Now, in order for you to go ahead and simply delete it, all you need to do is click on this report dot icon and simply click on delete. As you can see, it says once you delete this post, it can't be removed. So simply go ahead and click on yes, delete, and there you go. Your post is completely deleted. Even if I refresh it, as you can see. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.